And tonight we are getting a better idea of what this pause means when it comes to getting people in the Big Bend vaccinated. ABC 27's Jada Williams joins us live at the Lawson Center. Jada, how are local sites pivoting to meet the demand of those who initially signed up for the Johnson & Johnson shots?
Well, both the Bond Community Health as well as the FAMU Center here on FAMU's campus say that there is enough supply to go around until there is more guidance from the CDC and the FDA. Following guidelines from the Food and Drug Administration and Centers for Disease Control over blood clot concerns, the Johnson & Johnson vaccine is now being pulled from Tallahassee vaccination sites like Bond Community Health. Dr. Temple Robinson oversees vaccinations done there.
It was just a matter of pulling the Moderna to the front of the line, making sure we have all the paperwork and consent forms in line with the lot numbers that we have of the Moderna.
At the Lawson Center, getting the Johnson & Johnson doses has brought even more people to the site, with Tanya Tatum saying they've given out 250 doses of Johnson & Johnson since Saturday.
There were a number of people that wanted one shot, so that was definitely one of the things that attracted people to that particular vaccine.
Now the site is back to Moderna only and still seeing a steady amount of people wanting to get vaccinated.
We've still had quite a few people that come in today, so I don't think it's had a huge impact.
While that's encouraging, concerns still linger over more vaccine hesitancy with the pause in Johnson & Johnson vaccines.
Sometimes it takes 6 or 7 million people to get a medicine before you can uncover some of these types of problems. On the other hand, of course, I'm very concerned now that people are going to pull back from being vaccinated, and we really don't want that.
So, Jada, how are community leaders working to address any potential skepticism that might come from this suspension?
Channing, the coronavirus vaccine task force is now creating 2 new groups within that task force, one that is led by teens and for teens and one led by millennials for millennials. They say that they want their trusted peers in the community to be the voices to get more people to those vaccination sites in the community. And of course, you can stay up to date with the latest going on with the Johnson & Johnson vaccines as well as other stories in our community by following me on Twitter at Jada E. Williams. But for now, live in Tallahassee, Jada Williams, ABC 27.
Thank you, Jada.